This shocking development marks a disturbing evolution in the methods used by criminal groups, raising serious concerns about the growing sophistication of insecurity in the region. According to multiple local accounts, the incident involves the use of a drone device believed to have been deployed to convey a direct warning message aimed at authorities. While details remain under investigation, the mere suggestion that such technology is being utilized has triggered fear and widespread debate. Residents describe the situation as unprecedented, noting that the use of drones represents a significant shift from traditional attack patterns previously associated with bandit groups. For many, the fear is no longer limited to ground assaults, but now extends to the skies, creating a new dimension of vulnerability. Communities across Kaduna State are increasingly anxious as they try to comprehend what this development could mean for their safety and security. The psychological impact has been immediate as people begin to question how far these groups are willing to go in demonstrating their reach and influence. Security analysts warn that the adoption of drone tactics, if confirmed, could indicate a dangerous level of innovation among criminal networks. Such capabilities may allow attackers to gather intelligence, deliver threats, and potentially carry out coordinated actions with greater precision. This has raised urgent questions about the preparedness of existing security frameworks to counter emerging technological threats. Local authorities have acknowledged the reports and emphasized the need for calm while investigations continue into the authenticity and implications of the incident. However, many residents feel that the situation demands swift and decisive action to prevent further escalation. Community leaders have called for enhanced surveillance, stronger intelligence gathering, and immediate investment in counter-drone technology. They stress that ignoring such warning signs could lead to more complex and harder to control security challenges in the future. The involvement of drones in criminal activities is not entirely new globally, but its emergence within the context of banditry in Nigeria represents a troubling development. Experts believe that access to such technology could be facilitated through illegal markets or external support networks, making it even more difficult to track and contain. For citizens living in affected areas, the fear is deeply personal, as they imagine the possibility of unseen threats hovering above their communities. Parents worry about the safety of their children, while farmers and traders fear further disruptions to their already fragile livelihoods. The sense of uncertainty has created an atmosphere where trust in safety measures is increasingly being tested. Religious and traditional leaders have urged calm, while also calling on the government to take proactive steps in addressing the evolving threat landscape. Your support helps us continue delivering accurate and reliable information that matters to you. Stay informed by turning on notifications so you never miss any important update. Join our growing audience today and remain connected to trusted news at all times. They emphasize the importance of unity, vigilance, and cooperation between citizens and security agencies. Human rights organizations have also weighed in, warning that the escalation of tactics could have far-reaching consequences for civilian populations. They advocate for immediate intervention to ensure that technological advancements do not become tools of terror in vulnerable communities. The alleged targeting of a sitting governor underscores the boldness of these groups and their willingness to challenge authority at the highest levels. This has intensified concerns about governance, security, and the overall stability of the region. Political observers note that such incidents could have broader implications for public confidence and national discourse on security. There are growing calls for a comprehensive review of current strategies to ensure they are capable of addressing both traditional and emerging threats. The situation also highlights the urgent need for collaboration between federal and state authorities in developing effective responses. Investment in modern security infrastructure training and technology is now seen as critical in staying ahead of evolving criminal tactics. Meanwhile, Affected communities continue to live under the shadow of uncertainty, hoping that the situation will be brought under control swiftly. Each day brings new questions and concerns as people seek reassurance that their safety remains a priority. Despite the fear, there is a collective desire for resilience as communities come together to support one another during this challenging time. Acts of solidarity and mutual assistance are helping to maintain a sense of hope, even as uncertainty persists. Security experts stress that while the threat may appear daunting, it is not insurmountable if addressed with urgency, strategy, and commitment. They call for sustained efforts to dismantle networks that enable such activities while strengthening preventive measures. For now, the nation watches closely as authorities work to uncover the full details behind this alarming development. The outcome of this situation may well shape future approaches to security and crisis management in Nigeria. As investigations continue, one thing remains clear: the landscape of insecurity is changing, and responses must evolve accordingly. The voices of concerned citizens continue to grow louder, demanding action, accountability, and lasting solutions. Until then, the fear lingers, the questions remain, and the hope for peace endures. Your subscription strengthens our commitment to factual and unbiased reporting. Click the subscribe button and enable notifications to stay ahead with every breaking story.